Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a drawing animation using CapCut PC. And I'm also going to be using Paint. You can use Instagram stories if you're on your phone. Get a green background or just paint the background green. Then you're going to record yourself doing a doodle. Here's just me circling, for instance, a word. Then you're going to go to CapCut PC. I've already imported my drawing here, and I'm just going to kind of zoom it in. Maybe crop it. Actually, let's crop it. Crop the unnecessary parts like so. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove background, go to chroma key, and select the green bit here. It is a little bit pixelated, but you know, it's fine. It gives it character. And I think I'm just going to change the font here. I really don't know which font I should use. Let's do freehand. Why did I do that? And I'm gonna change the background to this blue, maybe. I don't know, but you're just going to want to do that. Oops, I forgot. I need to still crop that. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger like that, and I'm just going to make the text bigger as well. And if you still see a little bit of green, I see it for some reasons. I just can't. My eyes. Just go to the adjustment section and adjust the saturation and make it a little bit brighter like this, so it looks the same color. Alright, and then after that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to add a sound effect. I added this sound effect. Go to audio and type in sharpen. There's a bunch that you can choose. I chose the round one because I did draw something round, but you can kind of adjust it to what you drew. And this is what it should look like. Oh, let me turn this down. It's just background noise. Okay, let's make it a little bit more. Hold on. Maybe here. There we go. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!